Hello, super scientists. Today we're going to make our bubble solution for our Bubbles, Bubbles, Bubbles. So what you need for today is you need Kit F, Bubbles, Bubbles, Bubbles. And in that, there's going to be a lot of different stuff, but you just need the the dish detergent and glycerin, and the cornstarch and baking powder, those two things. You're also going to need for this a big mixing bowl. Yep. And you're going to need a big mixing spoon. You're going to need 6 cups of water. We're going to use bottled water. They say distilled or bottled works best. You can use just tap water if you don't have that though. And then you're also going to need something to measure the water, since we need 6 cups of water. So that's going to be that container, the measuring container over there. Yeah, good. All right, let's get started. Okay, so first let's measure out the 6 cups of water. Your parent or helper could help you do that. All right, so we poured out our 6 cups of water, and we're going to put them in the big mixing bowl. Okay. Carefully pour it into the big mixing bowl. There you go. Good. All right, next we are going to take our cornstarch and we are going to slowly pour it into the water. We're going to do a little at a time. Good. All right, now don't stir too quickly, but yep, keep stirring until it's all dissolved. That's okay, don't worry about it. Good.
Yeah, it looks like
all right. All right, as you can see, the cornstarch and baking powder is pretty much dissolved in the water. And now we can add the dish detergent and the glycerin. So you want to stir it so it doesn't get frothy, they said in the directions. So slowly. If you stir it too quickly, it's going to get, and it's going to get frothy.
it smells so good.
Okay. Let's pour the rest of this in. Some of it might be, okay, keep stirring. All right, we are done mixing this in. We are now ready to start our bubbles activities. Okay, so for our first experiment, what we're going to do is we are going to do a simple one that I'm sure you've done with your milk. But I bet we can do this, we're going to stir it a little bit.
With bubbles.
All you need is, you need a cup of any kind, and you need the straw from the kit, one of the straws. Okay, I'm going to pour a little bit of the bubble solution in there, just a little. There, that should be good. And now what Audrey's going to do is she's going to put that in there. Audrey, actually, you might want to stand up to do this. She's going to put that in there, and she's going to blow bubbles. Okay, do it slowly to see how many bubbles you can get, how high your bubble tower. Okay, try it slower. Ready? That's okay, go ahead. Slower, slower. Get your hand out of the way. How high can you make your bubble tower? When you do your bubble tower, make sure you have a helper take a photo or video and post to Seesaw. Okay, get your hand out of the way. Okay.
Monster.
All right, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna keep my fingers out of the way so they don't. See, I'm blowing slowly and it's going taller. Let's see if we can get to the top of the straw. Okay, look at that. All right, slowly. Cool, Audrey. It's not going sideways now, but there's our bubble tower. That's a tippy one. Go ahead and try this and take a photo or video. Okay, for our next bubble experiment, our bubble activity, we're going to make a multi-bubble blower. So with this one, what we're going to do, we're going to take this and we're going to take a pipe cleaner, and we're going to use the pipe cleaner to wrap it around to keep the bubble blower together. Can you wrap it around all the way? Good. All right.
Then we just move
We're gonna
it.
give our bubbles a mix again, so we get that cornstarch. That cornstarch doesn't like, it likes to drop to the bottom.
Ta-da.
It must be heavier, more dense than water. Okay, yep, there you go. Now,
Can I do
this one part you might wanna
Hold on
do
to it.
outside, but we're just gonna slowly do it so you can see.
Inside the big
So we're gonna
bowl.
dip it in our bubble solution. Okay, and you're gonna blow so slowly, you silly.
Sorry.
That's okay. Try again. There we go. It's kind of like our bubble tower. Keep going, Audrey. Yeah. Let's dip it again.
Oh no.
You can have fun with that outside. There you go. It's like an upside down, a hanging bubble tower. Instead of it going up, it's going. So that's activity number 2. Okay, for this activity, all you need is one straw. Okay? And what you're going to do is move your hands. We're going to pour a little, just mix this up a little bit. Always good to give it a stir. And then we're going to put a little bit, move your hands. I'm going to put a little bit on the okay, yeah, on the table. You're going to, can you spread it around a little bit? Yep. Okay, good. All right, that's it. Good. Leave it be. Okay, good. Now, you're going to take your straw, dip it in your bubble solution, and you're going to blow a bubble onto the table. Watch Audrey do it slowly and carefully. This took some practice, so you might have to practice a little bit. So don't worry if you don't get it right the first time. She blows a bubble, and then she's going to dip it in again, and she's going to carefully put it in. Make sure your hands don't touch the bubble or else it'll pop. Now she's going to blow a second bubble. She wanted to make that bubble a little bigger, so she's going to go in there and try to make it bigger. And look at, it popped, but that's okay. She's going to try again. There we go. And then she's going to try to add a third bubble within a bubble. Let's see if she can do it. She got it. Let's see if she can get a fourth one in there. Fourth. Oh, and then it popped. So give it a try and take a photo or video of your bubble within a bubble and post it to Seesaw. All right, for our next bubble activity, we're gonna make a bubble cube. For this, you're gonna need some fuzzy sticks, some pipe cleaners, and you're gonna need your short pieces of your straw. You should have 12 short pieces of straw. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, good. All right, so first of all, what you do is you take your fuzzy stick and you bend it. Make a bend like that. All right, now she's going to put 4 pieces of straw into the pipe cleaner. All right, next what you're going to do is you're going to keep your end here that was bent over, and you're going to make this, bend it into a square. Can you see it, Audrey?
Yeah, I can see the square
Good. Then we're going to take our,
thing and hook it over.
yeah, hook it over. And then we're going to bend this. We're going to take the end and hook it over, and then we're going to bend it some more so it's,
Stays on there.
yep, we're going to twist it around so it stays. Can you see me twisting it around? Okay, good. We should have something like this. Looks like a square.
I can see it.
Okay, can you pause it?
Okay. Let's pause this guy.
Okay, next you have your cube. You're going to twist a new pipe cleaner around the old one to extend it like that. I'm just going to twist it a couple times. Okay, now you got an extended one. Now you're going to put 3 more pieces on there. 1. Can you see this, Audrey? Good. 2, 3. All right, you can pause it, Audrey. Okay, so now it looks like this. You're going to bend the new pieces into a new square, like this. And then you're going to put this end piece through so it sticks out the other end like this. And then lift it up a bit. Okay, so now you have this. You're gonna take another pipe cleaner and you're gonna twist it on there to make it more long. Okay, to make it longer. There you go.
If I zoom in, I can see it much more better. If I zoom out,
Okay.
I can see it much better.
All right, we're gonna add 2 more pieces of straw on there. Okay, watch how I get both of those in there, like that. And then another one in there. And, okay. So now, we're going to make it the top of this one. We're going to bend it, and then we're going to bend it again.
Okay.
And then we're going to stick it through.
You just have to do the last one.
Right here.
Ooh.
Can you see that, Audrey?
Yep.
Can they see it?
I can see you putting it through.
Okay, good. You can see all my hand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. All right, there. Now we have 3 sides of our cube.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we're going to add another pipe cleaner, twist it on there to make it longer. And we're going to add 2 more pieces of straw. Audrey, are you getting this?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, ooh.
Mom doesn't know where she is.
1, 2.
2.
Okay, now we're going to make it go like this, up, and then over. And now, watch carefully. Can you see this, Audrey? It's gonna make this part of the square. And we gotta get back over here. So we're gonna put this through here, like that. Pull it tight. And we gotta put this little piece in there too, or else it won't go tight.
Yeah, that also looks horrible.
Yeah, that won't look right, will it?
Yeah, but now
Okay.
if you have to make it
There.
strict.
Notice how tight it is.
Now
And then we're gonna put it through this one
here.
to come to the last part.
Then we just have to do a
If I can get it through there, that would be good. This is kind of tricky. Doesn't want to go through. It'll go if I push hard enough. There it is. Okay, there you go. Okay, before I add my last piece, I'm going to add 1 more piece of pipe cleaner just so we can hold on to it. Okay, we're going to add our last piece onto it. Good. All right, we're going to stick that on there like that, nice and tight. And we're going to bend our last piece. I'm going to put this piece down in there just so it stays put.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
Then
Pull it tight.
Kind of looks like a circle when you don't pull it down.
Right, it looks like a circle when we don't pull it tight. Okay.
Perfect.
And I'm going to wrap this last piece. I'm just going to wrap it around there so it stays together. I'm going to make it
1, 2.
nice and tight. Make sure your straw pieces are tight together. That makes a difference. And there we go.
Our own bubble straw.
This is our own bubble cube.
Oh, I thought it was called straw.
There we are. Now, you can pause it, Audrey, because Audrey's going to help. All right, now Audrey's dipped it in there. She's going to try to get every side of the cube to have a bubble on it.
Okay.
Lift it up. Let's see what we got. Try again. It's getting there. To get bubbles on all sides of your cube, you should see something like this. Then all you need to do is... Okay, so we're going to dip our cube into the solution and get every side. I'm going to pull it out. You know you have every side when you see the triangles and the geometric figures. And then I'm going to take my straw and I'm going to carefully blow a cube in the middle. There. Now we have our bubble cube. I have one extra little bubble there, but you can see what it's supposed to look like. So take a photo of what you were able to get and post it to Seesaw. Looking forward to seeing it, and good luck.